Yeah. I can blow dry my hair easy. Oh, I'm sorry, I just stabbed you. Stabbed you in the face. I'm sorry. Lucky I haven't got really long nails. Hi.
Hello everyone. Welcome back. This is a really quick video that we're going to do today. Ali and Nesh edit.
Yes.
Of course.
Nesh.
Ali. Today we're in my bedroom, which is, please ignore.
No, she's paranoid about this. We're going to have to point them out now.
That's
patches
right,
on the
attention
wall.
to it. Yeah, patches on the wall. We're in the middle of decorating, but we don't care because
No.
this is real life.
This is real life. Everyone has patches on their wall for like 6 months, don't they?
Yeah.
Exactly.
But yeah, today we thought
We spoke about this, didn't we? We mentioned this in our video a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
What was it? The things that we're loving right now.
things we're loving, 6 things that, you know, we're loving.
We'll put a link into that one as well. But it's the T3 travel hairdryer. We got one at the event the other week, didn't we?
Yeah, we sort of shared a few videos on our stories if you'd watched, but yeah, we just thought, as we've spoken about it and what we're loving about, we'd show you what it's like to dry with as well.
So yeah, it's a travel one, proper travel one. It's really light. It's got a nice pouch with it as well, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, it's in my drawer, sorry.
Yeah, it's alright, it's got a little pouch as well. So yeah, I'm going to blow dry. I'm going to treat you to a blow dry.
So I'm having a blow dry before the school pickup. Quickly as well, we'll just show some of the products.
Using. So you've washed your hair?
I've washed my hair using the shampoo to this range actually, which is Purology.
Yeah, it's a good range.
It's a hydrated. It's
all of their
vegan ingredients,
sulfate free,
free, all of that. So I've put a bit of serum in as well already, and then we're gonna apply a bit of mousse.
This?
Whey thing.
So have you just put that in?
I haven't put it in yet.
Okay,
so let's
put it in. Go for it.
Just like a
yeah.
About that amount.
Going to use a new brush that you've just purchased, aren't we?
Yeah. So this range is called Babyless Copper.
They look nice, don't they?
Yeah. I've got another one which is kind of like a smooth barrel on one side, but this is a really good one. This is a good
size for your length hair.
Yeah. It's good for volumizing and lifting from the root. But
okay, so let's get started.
I'm having a blow dry.
Underneath first. Okay.
Yeah.
It's got a really long cord.
It has got a long cord, and actually,
for a travel hairdryer.
I also like about it, it's got the little Velcro
strap. Yep.
Because that's one thing that really bothers me. Because you're not meant to wind your wires around.
Does that bug you? If someone does that?
Yeah.
It's a pet hate of mine. Yeah. I'm so glad that we're the same. Because I feel like I'm the only weirdo. If
you fold it.
You fold it. Yes, Nesh. If anyone borrows my hair straighteners or my hair curlers or my hairdryer and they do that, I literally want to fall out with them.
Yeah, because it breaks the wire.
And then when you go to use it, it's all like,
wound up. Yeah.
I'm glad that we're on the same page.
She's wound up about it being wound up.
Yeah. Okay, so I've see it in the mirror, that's quite tricky as well. It feels really smooth. It does look really smooth.
A special Ionic technology.
It's tourmaline inside, isn't
Tourmaline, not Ionic, sorry.
But that helps to combat frizz. Next section. This is the top section. Right, so look in the mirror here. How...
I'm telling you, that is so smooth.
Yeah, looks shiny. It feels nice.
For a little compact
hairdryer,
like a travel hairdryer, I think that's brilliant. Because I've got a travel one and it's nowhere near
I've always thought they were a bit rubbish. Yeah. But yeah, this is really good. So naturally, I feel like if you look here, where does your hair want to part? Wants to part there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Happy with that?
Okay.
I just mix and match.
Right. What I would like you to do is to face me.
Right. You can also get a diffuser attachment as well for this one.
If you want to have
which you'd have, you buy separately. Which I always use.
Do you?
On holiday.
Do curly?
Yeah. Especially on holiday, actually.
Okay, so I'm going to go forward. Let me just...
we suddenly realised that my chair's too high for Ali to reach up. So bless
But
Ali.
a slight disadvantage here, it's okay. And I'm not used to drying, 'cause it's actually really hard to dry skin hair. I can blow dry my hair easy. Oh, I'm sorry, I just stabbed you. Stabbed you in the face, I'm sorry. Lucky I haven't got really long nails. I apologise. Sorry. So, it's not bad for a travel hairdryer, is it?
Like that is
It looks really shiny.
amazing. Looks really shiny.
Have I done?
You've done a great job. I think it looks fabulous.
Does it
Look
feel
at that. Let me
nice?
do a little.
A little turnaround.
Turnaround.
Yeah, do a little. Try not to trip myself up.
Here we are. Look.
It feels lovely and silky.
Feels really. Silky.
I was trying to get it to go curly, but I feel like I need to practice it on other people.
You're not a hairdresser.
No, I'm not at all. And it feels lovely and straight and smooth.
And my hair is quite porous and
prone to frizz.
Prone to frizz. So
it's very smooth.
I feel like you've done a fantastic job, and so has the hairdryer. And you've got the element so that you can have cool air as well.
Yes, and the dual wattage.
And the dual wattage. So
yeah, thumbs up.
we give it a thumbs up
T3.
to T3. Check out all their other products because they've got a fantastic range of tongs.
Yeah,
and,
tongs, haven't they?
and hairbrushes and straighteners. And their other hairdryer, like the main hairdryer,
It's really cool, isn't
is
it?
a good one, and it kind of cuts out when you put it down. So yeah, we
So
are loving
check
it.
them out.
Check it out. We hope you liked our really quick video
In the salon with Nesh.
In the salon, we were chatting holidays and everything as
Yeah,
you
we
do.
were actually, weren't we?
But yeah, thanks for stopping by and give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, definitely. And yeah, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.